Don't you wanna leave this alone? The path doesn't ever make us. Oh, where do we go? The children running back and forth, but the streets are like what they never were. When you remember, does it ever? Cause the damn memories won't ever come and be, but they bleed and they do produce seeds to make it go on, make it go on away down there, away you don't wanna dwell or know. This is where you wanna get home, but you just let it all go away. Day to day, clearly dreaming. I feel like the screaming side's coming up in me, and I don't wanna see the stars. This is the way that I dream about my little style. Rain with this, and they came to be, persuading things to be like they seem, but it was never meant to be like this. I'm telling you that this is what I'm insisting on proving, and I want to develop it. And can it ever change then? And if it doesn't ever win, would you ever participate in this shit before you ever thought about giving up everything that you believe? And now you see that it ain't gonna work. What the work was for, I don't even know where we're gonna go, but our world has been destroyed. Yeah, a time of the essence, leaving everything like it wasn't meant to be, believing that it wasn't gonna see the surface of the table, making everything level, but you know that you were able and capable of doing it like you wanted to, prove it, and then everybody put you down, talking like they didn't know, but you wanna take it for what it was, grain of salt, and I know it won't hurt. By the way, this is just an exercise. Let's get that flow going. Let's let the world know how our heart hurts. Desirable and scrumptious, I know that it wasn't what I wanted, much of what I can't even sum it up with nothing that's coming, cause a woman's got me in my gut, stuck in that, yeah. And even with the blues, I'll drop them down in you, I just wanna do, and everything, I wanna do this, but I'm never banging the blame. Talked about it like it wasn't ever meant to be, and I know that it was. But if it was meant to be, would you put the blame on me? Talking like I did it, cause doing like you wanna want this. Don't tell me that you knew, and you can keep on flaunting all that bullshit that you be doing. Talk about hustling and keeping it moving. Yeah, you got your crew and squad, they ain't doing this, and I don't even fucking know about it, but I know that it ain't